In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online. This is a quick and reliable way to share your full list of accounts with a teammate, attach it to documentation, or archive a snapshot of your accounting structure at a specific point in time. I'll walk you through the core clicks and also give you a few tips to make sure what you export looks the way you expect. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and heading to the main dashboard. In the upper right corner, look for the small gear icon. This is your shortcut to key settings and lists. Click the gear, and from the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. That opens the full table of all your accounts, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses, along with their types and detail types. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, take a moment to scan the list. The export will reflect exactly what you see here, so it's helpful to make sure the columns and account names are clear and that your list represents what you want to share. If your browser window is narrow, you may need to widen it slightly to see all icons. Now, look to the top right corner of the table itself. You'll see a small print icon. Click that icon, and QuickBooks will generate a clean version of the chart of accounts that's ready for printing or saving. From here, your browser's print preview will open. In most browsers, you can choose a destination called Save as PDF or a similar option. Select that, review the preview, and adjust basics like orientation and scaling so the table fits neatly on the page. Landscape orientation often works well for wider tables. If you want page numbers or a date on the footer, you can toggle those options in your print settings. When everything looks good, confirm the save, pick a secure location on your computer, and name the file in a way that's easy to recognize later, such as including today's date. That's all there is to it. You click the gear icon, selected Chart of Accounts, use the print icon on the table, and save the preview as a PDF. The result is a polished document you can email, store with your records, or print as needed. If the print icon doesn't appear right away, try scrolling to the top of the table or zooming your browser to 100%. And remember, the PDF captures what you see on screen, so a quick review before exporting will help you get a professional result every time.